edition.
窄门圣经马太福音第7章1、3
Enter by the narrow gate, for wide is the gate and broad is the way that leads to destruction, and there are many who go in by it.
你们要进窄门，因为引到灭亡。那门是宽的，路是大的，进去的人也多。台中国际机电会中华民国总会2001中英对照圣经新约全书
The Holy Bible New Testament Chinese and English Bilingual Edition.
窄门圣经马太福音第7章1、4
Because narrow is the gate and difficult is the way which leads to life, and there are few who find it.
因到永生，那门是窄的，路是小的，找到的人也少。台中国际机电会中华民国总会2001中英对照圣经新约全书
The Holy Bible New Testament Chinese and English Bilingual Edition 048L.
佛家言不走正门，进入4生6道。胎生耳牛马羊狗之类，卵生眼鸡飞禽之类，湿生口鱼虾水族之类，化生以马以蚊虫之类，泥丸公气天神肚脐在世投胎为人，任母归根修道，目的在离苦的乐，唯有任母归根，方能超生了死生登圣域贤官，永脱苦海。母字垂武，教皇母慈是这恩师一指点上。